Here are the best investment ideas for 2023. Disclaimer: I cannot provide personalized financial advice, and I recommend that you consult with a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. However, here are some general investment ideas that you might want to consider in 2023. First one, technology stocks. Technology stocks can be a good investment opportunity in 2023 as the sector has been performing well and is expected to continue to grow. Some of the top technology companies to grow investing in are Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Alphabet in brackets Google. Apple is a well-established company that produces consumer electronics such as iPhones, iPads, and Macs. Apple also has a growing service segment, which includes the App Store, Apple Music, and Apple Pay. Microsoft is a technology company that produces software and hardware. It is the leader in the enterprise software market and has a growing cloud computing segment with its Azure platform. Amazon is a dominant player in e-commerce, but it also has a growing presence in cloud computing with Amazon Web Services and has been expanding into other areas such as healthcare and media. Alphabet is the parent company of Google, which is the world's dominant search engine. Google also has a growing presence in the cloud computing market, which is its Google Cloud platform, and has been expanding into areas such as self-driving cars and healthcare. However, keep in mind that the value of stocks can be volatile and investing in individual stocks carries risks. It's always important to do your own research and consult with a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Number 2, real estate. Real estate can be a good long-term investment opportunity in 2023, and it is a tangible asset that can appreciate in value over time. Here are some real estate investment ideas to consider. 1. Rental properties. Investing in rental properties can provide a steady stream of passive income. When choosing a property, it's important to consider factors such as location, rental demand, and potential rental income. Real estate investment trusts. These are a type of investment that allow you to invest in a portfolio of properties. This can provide regular income through dividends and have the potential for capital appreciation. Some examples of the real estate investment trusts include Prologis, American Tower, and Simon Property Group. Real estate crowdfunding. Crowdfunding platforms allow you to invest in real estate projects with small amounts of money. Platforms such as Fundraise and Realty Mogul offer a range of investment opportunities, including commercial and residential properties. Real estate mutual funds. Mutual funds that invest in real estate can provide exposure to a diversified portfolio of real estate investments. Some examples of real estate mutual funds include Vanguard Real Estate Index and the T. Rowe Price Real Estate Fund. When investing in real estate, it's important to do your research and consider factors such as location, market conditions, and potential risks. Real estate investments can be illiquid and subject to market fluctuations, so it's always wise to consult with a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Investment idea number 3 is renewable energy. Renewable energy is an attractive investment opportunity in 2023. As the world's increasing focus of sustainability is driving demand for clean energy, here are some renewable energy investment ideas to consider. Solar energy. Companies that produce solar panels and develop solar energy projects can be a good investment option. Some top solar companies include First Solar, Sun Power Corporation, and Canadian Solar. Wind energy. Companies that produce wind turbines and develop wind energy projects can also be a good investment option. Some top wind energy companies include Vestas Wind System, General Electric, and Siemens Gamesa Renewable Energy. Hydropower. Investing in companies that produce hydropower can be another way to invest in renewable energy. Some top hydropower companies include Brookfield Renewable Energy, Innergex Renewable Energy, and the AQN Power and Utilities. Renewable energy ETFs. Exchange-traded funds that invest in renewable energy companies can be a good way to get exposure to the sector without having to pick individual stocks. Some top renewable energy ETFs include iShares Global Clean Energy, Invesco Solar, and Fast Trust Global Wind Energy. Renewable energy investments can provide diversification to a portfolio and help support sustainable practices. However, it's important to keep in mind that this investment may be subject to volatility and risk. It's always wise to consult with a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Investment idea number 4, healthcare. Healthcare is an important and growing sector that can offer investment opportunities in 2023. With an aging population and increasing demand for healthcare services, here are some healthcare investment ideas to consider. Pharmaceutical companies. Pharmaceutical companies are a good investment opportunity in healthcare sector. They develop and sell drugs that treat a variety of medical conditions. Some top pharmaceutical companies include Johnson & Johnson, the PFE, and MRK. Medical device companies. These medical device companies produce and sell medical equipment and devices. These include surgical instruments, imaging and equipment, and diagnostic tools. Some top medical device companies include the Medtronic, Abbott Laboratories, and Boston Scientific. Healthcare real estate investment trusts that invest in healthcare properties such as hospitals, medical office buildings, and nursing homes can provide a steady income stream. Some top healthcare REITs include Welltower, Ventas, and HCP. Healthcare ETFs. Exchange-traded funds that invest in healthcare companies can provide diversification across the sector. Some examples of healthcare include the iShares US Healthcare and Healthcare Select Sector Fund and the Vanguard Healthcare, the VHT. When investing in healthcare, it's important to consider factors such as regulatory risks, patent expirations, and competition. It's always wise to consult with a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. The last but not least investment idea for 2023 is cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies have gained a lot of attention and popularity in recent years, and they can be an investment opportunity in 2023. Here are some cryptocurrency investment ideas to consider. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the most popular cryptocurrency and the first one to be created. It has the largest market capitalization and has seen significant price appreciation over the years. Ethereum. Ethereum is a cryptocurrency that allows developers to build decentralized applications on top of its blockchain network. It has the second largest market capitalization after Bitcoin. Litecoin. Litecoin is a cryptocurrency that is similar to Bitcoin but with faster transaction times and lower transaction fees. Binance Coin, BNB. This is a cryptocurrency that is used to pay for fees on Binance cryptocurrency exchange. It has seen significant price appreciation in recent years. Crypto exchange-traded funds that invest in cryptocurrencies can provide diversification across the sector. Some examples of cryptocurrency ETFs include the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, GBTC, and the Bitwise 10 Crypto Index Fund, the BITW, and the Osprey Bitcoin Trust, OBTC. Again, it is important to keep in mind that cryptocurrencies are a high-risk investment and can be subject to significant price volatility. It's always wise to consult with a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions, especially when it comes to cryptocurrency. Those are the 5 top investment ideas that I had for you this day, and please subscribe to this channel if you've just joined in, and please like this video. Also click the bell notification so you will know whenever I upload a new video. Okay, stay safe. Bye bye. See you in the next one.